AP Dr. Angomja Bimol pressed on central government to fully resettle internally displaced persons before the state conflict turns its third-year mark. He made this statement during 0 hour of the ongoing winter session of the parliament today. Addressing the parliament in both Manipuri and English, Bimol said that the Manipur conflict that erupted on May 3, 2023 had rendered thousands of people homeless, and they continue to tolerate bare minimum in relief camps even today. He remarked that when displaced persons attempted to return to their place, they were met with tear gas and intimidation, calling it unfortunate. He called on the attention of the House and urged to resolve the issue, preferably before May 2026, when the prolonged conflict marks its third year. He also noted that delaying their resettlement would only align with the desires of certain Kuki militants who resolved not to return back to their original places, urging the House to act on a priority basis.
Megi tang ahum lising aniga kulumdoi dagi horki beirang dagi mayum mai kai leibam chahum khangdana lanjen na leiba mi lising kaya ma mayum hanjage haibada hanjan hana bohona bagi mahutta lengak na sarkar na air gas caption na phu jana chaidana tawbagi phibam Manipur da lei masi makhoi bu hanjan haning deba misguided maroina kuki kangbu khrana su hanjan hanba yaroi haibadu gi mateng pangsan bagum thokle hanjan hana bohona bagi mahutta makhoi bu hanjan nadana ba hona the mateng pangsan ba thabok tawbagi mami yamna chawna lei masi yamna laibok thiningai ni. Like to draw the attention of this House to the fact that there are more than thousands and thousands of people are still linguisting in relief camp, and I appeal to the government of India that they should draw up a concrete, honest and transparent plan to ensure that these people go back to their homes before we mark the 3rd anniversary of the crisis that began on 3rd of May 2023. Thank you, Chairperson.